Hey guys, Cryptic here with another episode for you guys. So, the camera lens on your iPhone 12 cracked, huh? Well, stay tuned for the video because today you're going to be able to fix it. And it's a really quick fix. See ya. All right, guys, fun little video we're gonna do. We're gonna take a iPhone 12 and fix, yeah, that guy right there, that bad boy right there. Camera broke on it. It's my son's. Something quick and easy you can do at home. You can get the kit from Amazon. It comes with everything you need. Obviously, I have more tools, but we're gonna see if the people at home can do it without, you know, any other stuff. Can you really fix a camera lens or the protector itself without having to buy a bunch of tools? Let's find out. All right, so obviously first what you want to do is want to get the package open, obviously, and get all the stuff out of it, see what comes in it. So this is your camera lens itself with the adhesive. Comes in a little package like that. It's pretty cool. A couple of wipes. Don't really think you're gonna need those. And then the tools that you're gonna need in order for this to work, right? So be very careful with these because they are pointy. So it comes with a little knife, okay, probably to get, you know, the adhesive around it broken up. And the next one is going to be a couple of needles here, so you can grab. It's so tiny. It's gonna be a difficult repair. It's my first time repairing one of these, so we're gonna give this a shot. Hopefully it'll work. So first things first, guys. This is gonna be a bit loud because I don't have a heat gun yet. I did order one, but we're gonna use a blower, okay? Because you want to get this area heated up so that you could start popping that rear camera lens off. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. Obviously, we're gonna go ahead and get that done, but I'm probably gonna not have any sound on this portion of it, and it's probably gonna go a little fast just because it's gonna be loud. So it's a little bit of a painstaking process, guys, because you want to make sure you get all this stuff out of the way. You gotta be careful with the camera. You gotta be really gentle around the camera itself. But as you can see, it's coming off. Just a bit of a, and what I'm trying to do is because the way it broke so like close to the edges like this. See, it's more difficult than most breakages, and you have to heat it up quite a bit. So I would definitely highly recommend getting a heat gun because the blower might work, but I also feel like the blower heats up other areas. I don't think it's good. But you know, as you can see, it's kind of a pain in the butt, to tell the truth. And there's a lot of it still stuck there, a lot of adhesive. Looks like we got most of it out so far. So as far as I'm concerned, these tweezers, probably not the best. There's probably other stuff you can use, and you definitely want to keep those areas clean. Tap it lightly, because here's my thing in it. Like, if you get stuff inside here, these cameras move, and I'm gonna show you real quick. I don't know if you guys can see this, but these cameras move. Okay, you see them? So if there's, I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but they do move inside. Okay, they're stabilizing cameras. So if there's any kind of debris, okay, in between. Okay. Oh, and I'm sorry. Make sure you turn off your phone and everything. That would have been a good idea, huh? If there's any kind of debris in there and the camera doesn't move, the stabilization won't work. You will get an error. iPhones are pretty good about that. You will get an error. So there's still a little bit of adhesive that I can see, even though it's microscopic. I can technically see a little bit of it around there. So I'm just trying to clean it nice, you know, because I want the other adhesive to stick. Okay, and just be gentle around this area. You don't have to go fast or anything like that. It's not a race. Just be real gentle as you're cleaning. Okay. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, so next step obviously is going to be to put this bad boy together. Okay, so like I said, it's a simple step. It's a little tedious because this stuff is so small, but it's a very simple step. So there's a big and a small lens, if you can see that. So the bigger lens is for the upper side, the smaller lens is for the lower side of the camera. Okay, so the smaller we're not going to use. The bigger lens, we have to now start taking the adhesive off. Okay, that's simple. Okay, then we want to grab this bad boy and put it there. All right. Now, you grab something you can go around with. Take this bad boy off. Beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful. We'll take one of these dry wipes. Cool, cool. Hopefully we can get out of there. We clean it best as we can. Take the wet wipe. And the dry wipe. Just clean it all up. Simple as that, guys. Perfect. Let's test it out. Camera. Looking good. Good fix. See you on the next one, guys.